feels still currently, and so does my life feel still and slow. Slow may feel stuck, and funny how every teenager feel as if they are lagging behind. But trust me, slow is a blessing in disguise. Many people wish as if their rate of life was slow and if they could breathe and rest. People always desire future timelines for some weird and unexplainable reasons. Like, for example, in a rush and stressful routine, people feel, oh, we'll be happy once we get that long holiday. And when they actually do, and when life feels slow and stuck, people wish if they could again have some obsession to feel alive. But the truth is, every future timeline will end up becoming present. Yes, present. 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 Present, that is now. People who know the art of now end up being really happy. Everyone in the world talks about following your passion, etc. But no one actually tells what passion really is and like how to find that passion. How? And I really don't get when people say that their passion is to become doctor, engineer, lawyer, or to get into a certain set of profession. Like, how in the world can you dream of getting a certain percentage or to get into a certain college or to get into a certain job? Like the amount of brainwashing society did for us to not to dream about being happy, contented, free, joyful and grateful. Like some people believe that they are unworthy of happiness. People find their passion in reaching a certain point when there is no point clearly, as there is no limit, when literally we are the one putting all the limits on ourselves and the people around us. People find passion in earning a certain number and figures in money. Clearly, the amount of brainwashing again it might took for them to make us believe that passion is a job, a certain figure earning, a car, a brand, and whatnot. Clearly, people quit their jobs at 60 or 40 or 30, like even when they work their ass off getting it and they just realize it's not what we want. They quit it because they don't feel contented, they don't feel happy, the job doesn't fulfill their soul imprint. They constantly feel unhappy and bounded as the job was for hunger satisfaction, not for their soul satisfaction. There is something beyond hunger and desire. Yes. Can we all just redefine passion? Why can't passion be being happy, helping others, kindness, gratitude, free spirit, that is freedom indeed, and authenticity? Why can't passion be about finding who we are, finding about ourselves, finding about what we want, what our soul wants? Passion is the work that makes you reach the flow state. Now you ask, what is a flow state? Flow state is a state where you feel you understand everything without like putting the actual efforts. Like you don't put efforts and then the work just flows. Everything just flows for you. Passion is not something you are born with. It's more of a hit and trial method. You try various things and see if things work for you. Well, I am at a point where I feel I am repeating the same routine over and over again, and I just don't know what I want to do, like what my passion really is. And someone asks me what do you want to become when you grow up, and I just don't have an answer because I too never dreamt of doing a certain job or something. I just only dreamt of being happy and rich. That's it. And I really want to find my passion because I want to explore myself, and so should you. Like, don't get into a profession just because it's paying you a certain amount of figures, or a certain like a respect in the society. Because trust me, no one cares. Like, you think they care, but they don't. So it's day one of trying to not feel stuck and to move and to enjoy present. And that's why. And सबसे पहली activity that I chose for myself was painting out of nowhere, because I just thought that okay, we can and let's try something new. तो मैंने painting try की, but मैंने नीचे बैठ के ट्राई किया. अगर मैं अपनी टेबल पे करती या अपने बेड पे करती तो आई थिंक मुझे अच्छा लगता, बट मैंने नीचे बैठ के करी थी और मेरे अंदर का बूढ़ा इंसान बाहर आ गया. तो बुढ़ापा आ चुका है. 16 साल की उम्र में बहुत अच्छा बुढ़ापा आ गया है. और मेरी तो मतलब ये तो मुझे पता चल गया, ये तो मेरा पैशन नहीं है. तो वो डे वन तो थोड़ा फेलियर रहा, बट आई इंजॉय डूइंग इट. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया गाने सुनने में. गाने सुनने में मुझे बहुत मज़ा आए. बाकी कार्यक्रम जो आर्टिस्ट करते हैं, एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट यू सो मच. इफ़ दिस मैं फ्लो स्टेट में पहुंच गई थी एक टाइम पे. मेरे को गाने भी जो मैं सुन रही थी मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहे थे, बट आई वॉज मोर इन टू मैं कब ख़त्म करूँगी इस चीज़ को ऐसे करके. आई वॉज नॉट इन टू इट. आई वॉज नॉट इन्जॉइंग. हाँ, मैं अगर कमर लगा के करती तो मेरे को इन्जॉय होता. तो मेरे मेरे अंदर का जो बुढ़ा है, जो मेरे अंदर का थोड़ा बुढ़ापा है, उसको थोड़ा एक सहारा मिल जाता तो मुझे मज़े आते. तो अगली बार नेक्स्ट टाइम आई ट्राई पेंटिंग, आई विल थिंक अबाउट माई कमर ऑल्सो, बिकॉज बुढ़ापा आ चुका है. सो या, दिस वॉज डे वन. एंड so this was day one was not, I will not say it was a failure. I enjoyed it. मैंने कुछ नया काम करा स्क्रोलिंग के अलावा, so I liked it. Thank you so much for watching it. And I just want all of you to think and rethink about everything and actually work for something you like, and just figure out how to make money out of it. That's it. So yeah, follow your passion, guys. I think आप follow your passion को find your passion कर देना चाहिए. Because what do you mean follow your passion? What in the world do you mean follow your passion? It's going to be find your passion. Yeah, find your passion and just go. अभी देखते हैं मेरा पैशन क्या निकलता है. Clearly painting is not my passion. Let's see what my passion could be. But गाने सुनने में तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. बाकी तो और मुझे पता नहीं. So this was day one as Dora the Explorer, and apology to all the artists, क्योंकि in the end ये कवाड़ा चीज़ बनाई मैंने, but it was fun. मैं बनाने कुछ और गई थी, बन कुछ और गया, but I know ये थोड़ा कवाड़ा है, but ये इतना कवाड़ा नहीं है कि मैं इसको डस्टबिन में फेंकूँ. तो it deserves a place in my room, तो मैंने इसको लगा दिया. एंड लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है इस सीरीज़ में. मैं सीरीज़ शुरू तो कर देती हूँ, बट मैं ख़त्म नहीं करती. बट आई होप वील एंड दिस सीरीज़ दिस टाइम. एंड या, थैंक यू.